Question number 146. The sporozoites that cause infection when a female Anopheles bites a human being are stored in. The storage sites for these sporozoites is, and the options are liver of human, RBCs of mosquito, salivary glands of mosquito, and gut wall of mosquito. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, salivary glands of mosquito is the storage site for sporozoites that cause infection when female Anopheles bites a human being. Other options are incorrect. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 147. Select incorrect statement with respect to malaria. The options given are malignant malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum is a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. Hemozoin is malarial toxin released from ruptured RBCs of mosquito. And as it is an incorrect statement, this is a correct answer to our question because hemozoin is malarial toxin released from ruptured RBCs of human and not of mosquito. The next statement says sporozoites reproduce asexually in liver and RBCs of human is a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. And the last statement says male and female gametocytes develop within RBCs of human is also a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question, question number 148. Vaccination and immunization programs have enabled us to completely eradicate which deadly disease from world? And options given are smallpox, AIDS, hepatitis B, genital herpes. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, smallpox. The other three options, AIDS, hepatitis B, and genital herpes, are sexually transmitted infections and are incorrect option to this question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 149. Select mismatch with respect to pathogen and disease caused by them. The very first match given is Wuchereria bancrofti and the disease caused is elephantiasis. As it is the correct match, this cannot be a correct answer. The next match given is Trichophyton to ringworm. This is also a correct match, so cannot be a correct answer. The next match given is Streptococcus and the match is common cold. This is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question. Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae are responsible for disease like pneumonia in human, which infect alveoli of lungs. The last match given is Ent amoeba histolytica and the match is amoebiasis. As it is also a correct match, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 150. Read following statements A to D and choose the option that correctly identifies true and false statements. The very first statement given is innate immunity is non-specific, present since birth. This is a correct statement, so this is true. The next statement says mucus coating of digestive, respiratory and reproductive tract is considered as physiological barrier, and this is an incorrect statement. It's a false statement because mucus coating of digestive, respiratory and reproductive tract is considered as physical barrier and not physiological barrier. The next statement is natural killer cells are specialized B lymphocytes and participate in humoral immunity. This is also an incorrect statement. It is a false statement because NK cells act as cellular barriers like PMNL and monocytes. The last statement given is interferons are proteins which protect virus-infected cells is also incorrect. This is also a false statement because these proteins protect non-infected cells. So among the given options, the correct answer is option number 2. First statement is true, second statement false, third statement false, and last statement is also a false statement. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question.